What are you doing, Jensen?
Going down here?
Yeah. You think you're going to make it?
Maybe.
You think you're going to stack it? You want to push? Yeah. Ready, go! Oh, all the mud. That looked really good. Well done. Can you, yeah, you're going to have to try and get all the way back up now. Can you do it without falling over? Come on, I'll come down with you this time. I think we'll go a bit faster.
No, I want you to go by yourself.
No, you got to come with me.
So if
You got to come with me.
Yeah.
Okay. No, it's not going to work. Let's get off. Oh no! Oh no! I can't get up. It's too slippery.
I was sliding on my butt.
Oh, no wonder the Subaru couldn't get through. It's horrible.
I should run and jump and then see if I can slide down.
No, yeah, go on then. I'll film you from down here. Go. Up.
Feeling the mud.
That is pretty muddy.
That's how I...
It's a lot of rain last night. Go on then, go get it. What sort of running was that?
Stuck in the mud. Oh, I got flat ones.
Right, cool. Should we go do it again?
I can't get up.
Yeah, you can. Hey, he needs the ocean, you just need mud. So you're going to go down or not, Hudson?
No.
Why?
He's being steady tap.
Why?
Good.
It's a bit scary. Why? You've been down it lots of times.
Yeah, because it wasn't wet and this time it is.
But it's wet now, it's just muddy.
No.
Don't want to? Should we watch Jensen go down again? Okay, go on then Jensen, you can go.
I want to try to stand up.
Hey, you hear the waterfall?
Yeah, we're going down there.
So you can find the waterfall?
Yes.
Go on there. Then we need to go and look down here.
Maybe a bit.
You know where you're going?
Yeah, down here. Yeah, this is where.
No, I'm not so sure.
Yeah, that way. That way. This is like, oh, maybe this is here. Yeah, it's down here, down here.
Is that a pathway?
Yeah. See?
It's pretty overgrown to me.
No, look. Me and Pugs have gone down there.
You have? Go on, you down a little bit.
Okay.
Go on then, you can leave that there. I'm not convinced that goes anywhere. I think we should go down to the little bridge.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
And then we have to just follow that water.
Okay. Wow, I can hear it roaring now, boys. Roaring. Jensen, you be careful. Wow, look, little secret bridge.
Maybe we can go. Oh, what? Water coming down from
So muddy.
Why water coming down? Maybe we should.
Wow.
Maybe we should go on the bridge and up a little bit and then go across.
Yeah. Wow, there's so much water coming down.
Huh? Maybe we should go up.
You gonna jump on your boogie board and go down there?
Yeah.
No, maybe not. That bridge doesn't look very safe, Jensen. Oh, hello. What's going on then, Jensen?
Me and
I
Hudson,
can't see you.
me and Hudson both got stung and it's also very slippery.
Yeah, got stung by some plant. I don't think it's too bad. You alright?
Just
Was that a cool waterfall though?
Yeah.
Ah.
Wasn't that big.
No. Okay, that was fun, but we had a bit of a problem, didn't we? We discovered a plant called a Gympie stinger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it said it can last for months.
Yeah. So unfortunately, you got you touched it and you got little stingers into your hand, didn't you? And so did your brother. So
Yeah.
it's a bit painful.
I just smacked it and he like grabbed it.
Yeah. So.
And when Mum put a light on it, I could just see all of them.
Yeah, horrible little things. So apparently one of the world's most venomous plants. So we really shouldn't have touched that, should we? So we've learned something. So let's make sure everybody out there knows not to touch those plants, hey? All right.
I bet somebody fallen on them.
No, let's hope not.